This 5200, the comfort is one of those things that stand out. I like it. I personally use it. As you can see, this is a very lightweight device. And I really like it because it sits on your ear so comfortably. The molding that's on here, you want something that bends because everybody's ear is different. This is the little ear bud that goes into the ear. As you can see, silicone is very flexible as well. It bends. It is a USB dongle, all right? This is an important part of the equation when you're using this on a PC or a Mac. But you also get this power supply. And I've got a MacBook that I use. It's only got 2 USB ports. I don't want to use one of the USB ports to charge my device. Another thing about this product that we sell on Amazon, it's going to come in a box with a microfiber cloth. So you can clean the device itself, the Bluetooth earpiece. You can clean the charger. You have glasses and you're on the computer quite a bit. This really comes in handy. Let's talk about this charging device. So this travel charger is nice and handy. When you put this in, I'm going to close it. You see that there's some lights that light up. So it tells you what the charge is like on your battery. At Global Tech, when you buy the listing that you're looking at, you'll get those 2 bonus items included.